44,629 and 36,233. So what's the answer? Let's first write the decomposed versions of these numbers. So 44,629 is equal to 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 9. And for our other number, it's 36,233 is equal to 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 3. And we're doing addition, so we are going to add each of the values of each place individually. So let's put a line here to separate our decomposed numbers and the answer of our addition. So let's start with the ones place. 9 plus 3 is 12. So you can see here that there seems to be a problem because the result of adding the ones place is going to be a digit that's going to be in our new number. And our digits only run from 0 to 9. We cannot have more than 9. So what we have here is an overflow, or there's more value here in the ones place than our maximum value, which should be 9. So what do we do in such cases? When these overflows happen, what we do is we retain the first digit, and the second digit we transfer over to the next place, because 12 is actually 10 plus 2. So 2 is in the ones place, it stays here in the ones place, but 10 should be in the tens place. So the overflow, this one, digit 1, or actually the value 10, is going to be transferred over to the tens place. So we're just going to retain the digit in the ones place, which is 2, and we're going to give the value 10 to the tens place. So now, instead of just having 20 plus 30 equals to 50, we're going to add the overflow of 10 as well. So we have 30 plus 20 plus 10, which gives us 60. Now, there's no need to transfer any amount to the hundreds place because we have not exceeded 90, which is the maximum value that the tens place can have. So let's continue adding the hundreds place. So 600 plus 200 gives us 800. Next, let's do the thousands place. So 6,000 plus 4,000 gives us 10,000. And now you can see that we have a situation here again because the maximum amount that the thousands place could have is only 9,000. So anything beyond 9,000 is an overflow. So we can't have 10,000 here as a result of adding 6,000 and 4,000. This is an overflow. So 10,000 is actually 10,000 plus 0 1,000s, or 1 10,000 plus 0 1,000. So what we could do is, since we cannot have an amount greater than 9,000 in the thousands place, what we're going to do is we are going to give the whole 10,000 to the next place, which is the 10,000s place, because this is 1 10,000 and it cannot be placed here in the thousands place because it belongs to a different place, the 10,000s place. So we transfer 10,000 here as an overflow, this 10,000, and we erase 10,000. So since we gave all 10,000 to the next place, there's nothing left because we gave it all to the 10,000s place. Next, we're going to add the 10,000s place. So we have 40,000 plus 10,000 plus 30,000. So that gives us 80,000. Now these numbers are actually the value of the different places of our new number. So we can put a plus sign here. And if we add all these up, we get a number that is 80862. That's 80,862, which is the answer to our question. 44,629 plus 36,233 is equal to 80,862.